Right, I've got some old oil, really old oil. So what we're going to do is we'll do a test. So I've about 2 litres in there. I want quite 4 litres. And there are a couple of litres in here. It's not been opened, but I won't trust it because it's Tesco's own. It's probably alright to be fair, but it's been in cupboard for years. Something like that. And then what we're going to do is, oh yes, and that opens up. Excuse me. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, that's absolutely amazing. Apart from I've just spilled a bit, but that fills that cavity. Oh, that takes 1, 2. Gate opens. 1, 2. There, we've still got tons of oil. Oh, that's magnificent. Somehow I've got to get all that back into a flaming jug, like. But anyway, yeah, I think that's the result. So it looks like that baffled sump's going to work. Now, I wasn't going to put this video out until I'd actually tested it on the car, but Southport being Southport, there's a big long right-hander. It's only slow, and I didn't think it'd be an issue. Last year it didn't seem too bad, but unfortunately I've got virtually zero oil pressure, and could that be it? Have I sucked in a bit of air instead of oil coming off that roundabout? Who knows? But anyway, bench testing, it looks to work. So I'll put it out there, and I'm going to whip my sump off, have a look at what's in the bottom of it, see if there's anything stuck to the magnet. And it looks like engine's out, and we either rebuild this one or I've got a spare engine. If I can get hold of some rods and pistons, we might build it and put a bit more boost through it. Who knows? But thanks for watching. There'll be some links and subscribe buttons and stuff, so if you fancy watching some more over winter, give us a subscribe. Cheers, bye.